Video is meant to go along with the main installation video. This updated version that I'm showing you here, just some minor changes you're going to notice in this video compared to the original video. This plug is now different that goes into the back of the radio. This feeds the camera signal into the radio. So when you take your radio out of the dashboard, on the back of your radio you're going to have a gray plug that's in there. You're going to have an empty plug where this white one is going to plug into, and then your gray plug you're going to unplug from your radio. You're going to plug it into this female side, then this goes back into your radio. So your factory harness goes here, this goes into your radio, the white plug goes into the empty ports. There is some excess cable here for the video signal. Just find a place in the Jeep to mount it securely and neatly. This is the main module where you have to find a spot behind the radio, behind the heater controls. You can usually tuck this nice and neat. And then the main video shows you running the cable from the back to the front. Now we've hardwired it so you run the cable from front to back. So you're going to go ahead and take the long cable and start snaking it down the radio cavity behind the heater controls. Run this from the front to the back. And then when you get your camera mounted, this is about a short 5-foot cable, you're going to get up into the vehicle. This is a very small plug that you're then going to take the long cable. It's got a female side to that that's going to plug in. It's very hard to see on the video, but there is a little arrow that indicates where you line this up in respect to this when you plug it together. It comes with a double-sided 3M tape sticky mount to get underneath the bumper. If you prefer, you can bolt it on with this bracket here. Simply unscrew the camera from the double-sided tape mount, bolt it back up to here, and you can bolt this to the bottom of the bumper. This is just a quick solution for those who don't want to screw into the bottom of the bumper.